How do you copy files from a laptop to the iPad? Well, there are more ways how you can do this. Usually connecting the iPad through a cable and then using the iTunes and that kind of stuff isn't really the best option if you ask me. So I personally either use a cloud service like iCloud or Google Drive or physical storage like the SSD drive or some kind of USB which I can connect to both devices. So using iCloud, if you have a Mac, it's pretty simple. You just need to set up the iCloud photos sharing and syncing, and then the photos will be, of course, synced as well as some other files. Depends on what you need, right? But by far the best way is to use, in my opinion, this kind of drive, right? For example, I have the SSD drive right there, or even an SD card would work fine because I can connect it to a computer like that, just copy all of my files to this external thing and then connect it to my iPad, where if I open up the Files app, I'll be able to simply see the files inside of the locations section there, because a brand new location will appear for the SD card, and I can just copy each file type to my local storage. So if you ask me, I always use this method. It's fast and quick, right? So this is for like the larger files, and for smaller files, I like to use the cloud services like Google Drive, where I upload something to the drive on my laptop, and then I open up the Google Drive app on my iPad and just download it there. So again, I mostly use the external drive method or the Google Drive, right? So these are the main ways how I get files from my laptop to the iPad. Let me know below in the comments if it worked or which option you like the most. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll catch you later.